The Galaxy Ring. This isn't just a wearable, it's a revolution in health tracking. Discover how AI integration could redefine the fitness wearable market. Don't miss out on this exclusive sneak peek into the future of wearable technology. AI integration and market penetration. The Galaxy Ring's prospects. Given that existing health ring wearables channel health data to smartphones, and Samsung's Health app serves as a hub for fitness and health metrics on phones, it's logical to anticipate similar functionality from the Galaxy Ring. The intriguing question is how this new gadget will leverage the advancements in paired phones, particularly generative AI, in 2024. The Samsung Galaxy S24 phones, launched in mid-January, boast generative AI features like Circle to Search and Generative Edit, all bundled under the Galaxy AI umbrella. Considering the Gen AI features announced in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 that powers the S24 series, it's plausible to expect some of these functionalities to be integrated into the Samsung Health app and work in tandem with the data collected by the Galaxy Ring. Despite Samsung's sparse reveal of the Galaxy Ring, it's reasonable to speculate that the company might leverage its investment in generative AI with the additional data gathered by the Galaxy Ring. As Gartner analyst Ranjit Adwai told CNET, the Galaxy Ring could potentially broaden the market while integrating into the expanding AI device ecosystem. While Apple has yet to announce AI health tracking features, Google is preparing to incorporate AI-driven health insights into its Fitbit devices with the upcoming launch of Fitbit Labs. AI might not just be a unique selling point for the Galaxy Ring, it could be a necessity to keep pace with the features expected in this year's health wearables. To secure a robust foothold in the fitness wearable category, Samsung will need more than just a smartwatch and ring, notes Forrester's Ask. They'll need to educate consumers and cultivate the market, starting with convincing them of the Galaxy Ring's utility. Ask emphasizes the need for an exceptional digital experience that simplifies setup, offers insightful data, and effectively engages consumers, a feat that's easier said than done. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with our latest content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, click on the bell icon to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload from us. Remember, your support helps us create more content for you. Until next time, take care and we'll see you in the next video.